The agricultural sector contributes a huge amount to India's GDP. In fact, India is an agriculture based country. Keeping this fact in mind, we, the members of Group 192, decided to look at the possible solutions of a problem which is faced by a huge number of farmers across all states of India.
Now let's have a glance of problem statement. In many rural areas of India, farmers sow their seed without even knowing if they will get to harvest them. Excessive and unpredictable rainfall damages a significant number of crops all across the country, resulting in price hike. The high prices are a particular cause of concern for hundreds of millions of poor people who have already been squeezed by coronavirus pandemic. Now let's have a look at solutions. Solution 1, that is greenhouse farming. Greenhouses are closed, transparent enclosures of glass that prevent the infrared rays from going outside the glass dome, thereby providing sufficient heat for the plants to grow. Apart from this, they'll also make the crop resistant to any kind of climate change, including heavy rainfall. Although greenhouses seems to be very useful against excessive rainfall, but they are not feasible for most of the poor farmers in the country owing to their high cost. And every greenhouse would cost around 17 lakhs per acre.
Now let us look at solution 2, a cost-effective approach. We can integrate a farm with Arduino-based automatic umbrellas with water level sensors. When the level of water on the ground increases over a certain height, the umbrellas open up to prevent further rainfall to fall directly on the crops and redirect them to pond runoffs, where the water can be collected for rainwater harvesting. Arduino is a hardware and software developing company which enables users to develop mechanical prototypes for custom usage. A user can program the hardware for what he wants the hardware to do. On the right side, you can see a small prototype of the model. It can be scaled according to the size of farms and installed accordingly. How can this solution be implemented? The feed will be installed with Arduino water depth sensors. As soon as the water level increases the required height, the umbrellas will be sent a command to open up. Further, the water will be redirected to pond runoffs via channels that will be dug in the feed, and it can be collected for further use. Rainwater harvesting. Here we can see how the idea will look when it is implemented. Here is the list of references from where we took help in order to complete this assignment. We would like to thank all of them. Thank you.